All right, Paleo Nick here. Early morning, we're getting started on some cooking videos today and we're hungry, so we need some fuel. We're gonna throw together a quick breakfast, so come along with me and let me be your guide to culinary fitness. I've trayed up a half sheet pan of bacon. I just have a piece of parchment paper under it and the oven preheated to 375 degrees. While that's baking, we're going to prep out these veggies and make some poached eggs. And I'm just going to start by breaking the woody bits off the end of the asparagus spears. Just like that. Where they break, that pretty much tells you where you want to cut them. Okay, so we've got our veggies all prepped out. Saute pan preheated to about 350 degrees. Throw some olive oil in there to get it started. And we're just going to start by toasting off our garlic quick.